discover an elevated sense of comfort. Feel the sensation of superior cleanliness. Experience luxury like never before. Introducing the AT200 LS SpaLet from DXV, the daily ritual of visiting the bathroom, reborn. The SpaLet's thoughtful design provides an ardent sense of indulgence from start to finish. Upon approach, the SpaLet's motion-sensitive lid graciously rises, anticipating your arrival. The elegant, soft light illuminates the bowl for nighttime convenience. As you are seated, the SpaLet pampers you with welcoming warmth. 6 levels of a temperature-controlled heated seat. Dual self-cleaning nozzles give you a choice of independent front and back cleansing. The fully automatic wands have 6 adjustable water temperature settings and 6 personalized pressure options to rejuvenate with an unrivaled feeling of shower fresh clean. A gentle, warm air dryer adjusts to 4 temperature levels to offer personal, hands-free, paperless drying. The SpaLet's built-in air shield deodorizing feature automatically eliminates odor. Thoughtful design continues as sensors detect motion, automatically flushing seconds after standing, then closing the lid thereafter. The SpaLet's remote flush features dual action, full and partial flushing options for industry maximum water-saving efficiency. An easy-to-read LED screen provides settings to customize your SpaLet experience. Elevated comfort, superior cleanliness, advanced design. The AT200 LS SpaLet from DXV. Indulge yourself